Hey guys, and welcome to this video. Today I'll be showing you how to fix this error called corrupt data was found in game files. Here's a summary of all the steps we're going to be taking within this video. Okay, we're starting with hotfix 1. Hotfix 1 is going to be date and time. So what we're going to be doing is pressing the Windows button, typing in date. Then we have date and set time settings. We press open. In here, you should make sure it's set to automatic, because it could be that you're on a different day of the time, and if it's set up this way, then you're not able to launch your Fortnite correctly. So make sure this is set, time automatic is on. The next thing we're going to be doing, which you most likely have already done, is verifying the game files in Epic Games. So what we're going to be doing is opening up our Epic Games, go to Fortnite, press the triple dot, manage, press verify. Let this verify, and when it's done, try to restart the game to see if it works. So next up, what we're going to be doing is resetting your easy anti-cheat. This could also be a reason why you're getting the pop-up message that you're not able to play the game. So what we're going to be doing is first opening up our Epic Games, then go to Fortnite, press the triple dot, and press manage. Once you're in here, we're going to press the open install location. It should open the installed location of Fortnite on your drive. So it should be this PC, or whatever disk you're using. It could be C, most likely. Then program files, Epic Games, Fortnite. Once we're in here, we're going to press Fortnite game, binaries, Win64. Okay, once you're in here, right, what you're going to be doing is deleting the easy anti-cheat. Don't worry, because we'll fix it in a second. So once you delete this, right, you can scroll down. As you can see, Fortnite client is still down here, but you have to not delete these two, just only delete the folder. Then go back out. And then what we're going to be doing is verifying our game files, because Epic Games will see that you're missing the easy anti-cheat and will just reinstall it for you. So press verify, and then once it's verified, it's going to take a little bit longer than before, because it has to reinstall the easy anti-cheat. But once that's done, just launch the game again and see if it works. Alright, so the next thing we're going to be doing is a full Epic Games wipe. So what does this mean? We're going to pretty much delete all the files of Epic Games and everything that's installed on Epic Games, including Fortnite. So how do you do this? Okay, so what do we do first? Is opening up the file directory. Once you're in here, you're going to go to this PC. Make sure to go to the disk that you have Fortnite installed to. In my case, it's the local disk C. So once I open this, there's going to be program files here. You should find program files. Open that up, and then in here, as you can tell, right, it says Epic Games. In Epic Games, I have 2 games in this case, so we're going to fully delete this. If you try to delete it the first time, it's probably going to give you this pop-up that you're not allowed to delete it because it's running in a certain folder. If you haven't opened our test manager, or a test bar, sorry, then make sure to close it. So what we're going to be doing to make sure that you're able to close it is press Ctrl Alt and delete, then open Task Manager. Once you're inside of Task Manager, you're going to press anywhere and then type in Epic. As you can see, Epic is still running in the background. That's why we're not able to do it. So you're going to check, press End Task to make sure it's actually ended. Scroll down a tiny bit to check if there's anything else that's around here. Doesn't seem like there's any type of Epic. Again, press it one more time, type Epic. If it's not working, then it should be gone. So close the Task Manager again, and then try to delete Epic. It should allow you to delete Epic this time. Then press Continue, and give it a second to delete Epic. Alright, so once your Epic is gone, that's the first step. Next thing we're going to be doing is pressing Windows and R at the same time. Once you're in local app data, then press OK. Once we're over here, next thing we're going to be doing is opening again the Epic Games launcher. As you can see, there's more stuff over here from Epic, so we're going to have to delete that. So press delete from Epic again, and then Fortnite game also press delete. So every time you see anything from Epic or Fortnite, just delete it. Once you've done that, just to be safe, we're going to go back to the desktop, this PC, and then in this search in this PC, type in Epic. Alright, press enter. This will take a little bit to load up, but what it's going to do is it's going to search for all the files on your PC that says Epic, pretty much. So now we're just going to wait it out until it's done, and I'll be right back. Alright, and as you guys can see right now here, you can see all my Epic files that I still have installed. Make sure that before you delete everything that you check that it's really an Epic Games file, but if it is, just scroll from the bottom, drag all the way up, and then press delete. Alright, and then are you sure you want to permanently delete some items? Yes, you do. Then if it's some images won't work sometimes, so you just try do this to all current and then skip, and just go next, skip, continue, say yes. And then there you go. And now, if you can see, nothing is deleted right in here. But once we go back, and then we relaunch this again, then as you can see, just give it a second, it should work. I'm going to speed this up for you guys real quick. So as you guys can see, I still have one file in this case, but I can just press delete on it. Are you sure you want to delete it? Yes. And now it should be gone. Also, if I try to launch it, as you can see, it cannot find, so the files are gone. Once this is done, then we're going to go to the next step. Okay, so the next thing we're going to be doing is opening up the apps futures, right? And here we're going to uninstall Epic Games. For some people this works, and for some people it doesn't work. So if you press uninstall and press uninstall again, then it should uninstall if you are doing it correctly. But it could also be that it's not working. I will show you that in a second. So as you can tell right now it's uninstalled, and it's going to reinstall right after. And if this is happening to you, then we're going to go follow the next step. But if it's already uninstalled, then also uninstall the Epic online servers, press install again, and then make sure both are uninstalled. If this does not work for you and it keeps coming back, then let's go to the next step for you real quick. So if you could not uninstall your Epic Games because it keeps reinstalling itself, then it's probably because you had a download running or something else going on. So what we're going to have to do to fix that is press Windows and R at the same time. Then type in regedit, press OK, then press, if there's a pop-up, press yes. Once you're in here, it's probably going to look like this. Then make sure you open your local machine, your software. In the software you have a chance on seeing Epic Games. You just go look through everything and see if you have Epic Games in here. If you have Epic Games, just make sure to press it and press delete. If you don't, then go to the WoW node, open up the WoW node over here, and here you have Epic Games files, as you can tell. Easy anti-cheat as well, you don't want to delete those, just Epic files. So if you see Epic Games, press delete. Are you sure you want to delete this? Yes, subkey, yes. Are you sure you want to delete this subkey? Yes. Get rid of both of those. And then if it's correctly, it should be all gone now. And if you go back and then try again, it should work. Alright, if you're still not able to uninstall after all that, then we're going to go to the next step. And it's going to fix everything, don't even worry about it. Alright, so what we're going to do now is install a third-party software called Revo to delete all the files. I can show you guys, they have a nice site right here. You can just download it, it's a free download. I'm going to put this link in the description so you guys can go to the site. Press the free download, you're going to get the Revo setup.exe. It's very easy to get through. Once you have it installed, just double click on it, press yes to open it up. So once you're in here, as you guys can see, you can see all the stuff you have installed on your PC pretty much. And as of course we can see Epic Games what we want to delete. So what we're going to do is we're going to right click on it, press uninstall, then press continue. Next up it's going to create the restore point, and it's going to do a little bit of stuff in the background. And now it says, are you sure you want to uninstall? Press no. Because this is just going to do what we already did before. Trying to uninstall is not going to work, it's just a normal installation. So what we're going to do is moderate it and scan the file. So now it's scanning all the Epic Games files that are linked to the Epic Games launcher. So it's going to go through your entire PC to check it. It doesn't take too long actually. I think it takes up to about like 10 to 20 seconds for me. I don't know for other PCs, for me it's pretty fast. And as you guys can see, here are all the files that we found, but we couldn't find pretty much. They're hidden and stuff as well. And there's just so much stuff that you don't want to delete this all manually, right? It's just like, look at this. It's an insane list. It just keeps going, keeps going, keeps going. So what we're going to do is select all and press delete. And then press yes. Once this is all gone, it's going to send a loading list. Just wait for that to finish it. And then after that, we're going to go do the Epic online services. So first we're waiting for this loading list. Just give it a second. And we're going to press finish, press yes. And now Epic online services, press right click, uninstall, continue. Let it create a store point again, same thing. Exact same steps guys. Press no, moderate, scan. Just give it a second. And once that is done, then we're gonna go delete these files. Absolutely amazing. There we go, select all, delete, yes, bang. So now you finally got rid of pretty much all the Epic Games files on your computer. There's no way there's any Epic Games files left on your computer. You can also check, if you now check the apps and futures, if you refresh this, it should be gone. Epic Games, here, it's gone. It's out of the list, meaning that you fully uninstalled Epic Games. Every single file that's hidden and every single thing. Absolutely amazing tool. So once you have uninstalled all the files, we're gonna go reinstall our Epic now. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna press the download button on Epic. I'll link this in the description. Once you download it, you'll get the Epic installer, run that, then you install Epic. Once that is installed, then sign into your account. Alright, let it sign in. Takes ages, I love Epic. Okay, then go to the library and reinstall your Fortnite if I can find it. There it is, install, and just install it again. And see if this worked. Okay, then we're gonna go to the last step of the hotfix. The last step is going to be checking your PC. Because most likely there's something wrong with your PC. So what we're going to be doing is opening up CMD, run as administrator, and press yes. What we're going to be opening now is sfc/scan Now to check your files, because maybe there's some corrupt files in your system, make sure to press enter. It's going to start verifying. In the meanwhile, what we're going to be doing is opening another command prompt on administrator. Press yes again. And what we're going to be typing in is chkdsk. So chkdsk /f/r to R for repair. What we're going to be doing now is pressing enter again. Let this run in the background as well. So what it's going to ask you is to check it. It's not allowed to be checked right now until you restart your computer. So press Y and press enter. So the next time you restart your system, you'll be able to check the disk. It will take a little bit, but after that you should be okay. And once both of these are done, just go ahead and just restart your computer right here. If this worked for you, then make sure to like and subscribe.